bumper gone. Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I will show you an in-depth tutorial on how to convert your car vacuum to a simple house vacuum. Yes, it will work. Okay, so what we will need in this project is this computer power supply. It is okay if it's generic or a cheap power supply, second-hand, or a branded one, and electrical tape. It is okay that you don't need a soldering iron for this project because it will work just fine. So first we will look to our computer power supply and our car vacuum and see this is the power that is required for the car vacuum to run at its maximum performance, which is 100 watts. And here I will show you the voltage of the yellow or the 12 volt wires of this power supply, which is 9 amps 12 volts, which means it can produce 108 watts maximum. This is the 12 volt or the yellow wire here. So first, as we all know, computer power supplies don't turn on when no motherboard is attached. So what we will do is, here you need to make a jumper in these pins here, the green and black or the ground wire here. Connect these two, and when you plug in your power supply to the outlet, it will turn on. Let's see if it will turn on. So here we have connected the wires using these pins here, black and green. Let's plug. As you can see, the fan is spinning, which means the power supply is now turned on. Next, after that, we will secure this connection so that it won't get removed. We will disconnect. Okay, we need electrical tape. Wait. Electrical tape. To see if it's still turning on. Okay, it's working. Next is we will disassemble the plug assembly of our vacuum. So this is the plug of a car vacuum. Okay, here I did not remove this assembly because I still wanted to use it as a car vacuum, and so I just made a workaround on how to connect those wires. So here, this connection here is for the negative polarity of the plug. This is the negative side, and this is the positive side. So you will need to get any one of these yellow wires here. These yellow wires are the 12-volt wires of the power supply. So here you will attach the yellow wire to the positive pole of the plug, which is in the center, and the negative at the sides here. This is the negative, this is the positive. After the connection, make sure these wires don't come in contact to avoid shorts and it will cause fire. So we will secure it with electrical tape. Remember, this is the positive one, the center, and the sides here are the negative. I made it this way because I still wanted to use this as a car vacuum and don't want to destroy the plug assembly. Maybe it is simpler just to remove this and just splice the wires in the respective poles. For easier process. Okay, now it is done. It is connected, black wire or ground negative, and the positive yellow wire. Let's close it up. Okay, that's fine. After the connection, that it is ready to use. Here is the car vacuum with the required with a DC motor power of 100 watts motor. So we will plug this back in and let's test. Okay, it is working. Power supply is running. Let's turn on. As you can see, it is working at its maximum performance. Yes. Now let's test it. Let's test if it really sucks a lot of dirt and debris around. So here, this is dog fur, paper, and sand. We will test it on dog fur first, and let's see. As you can see, it is still connected here. There. Okay, let's test. Dog fur gone. Paper. Yep, it is working quite well. And last is the sand. I think it is clogged. We'll remove this. Okay, it is probably clogged here because of the fur. Wait now. So let's test it. Let's test it out. As you can see, it is really working well. Here is the dirt, fur, and paper that we sucked in. So there guys, this is the tutorial on how to make your car vacuum into a simple house vacuum. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps.